Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Session Shatjev rule and Hoffman elimination reactions. Student, today now we discuss Shatjev rule. According to Shatjev, if alkyl halide on dehydrohalogenation from two or more alkene, then that alkene is formed in axis with has a more substituent on double bond or hydrogen atom is eliminated from the adjacent carbon atom which is less number of hydrogen atoms. So this reaction are produced an alkene would favor the formation of a alkene that has a greatest number of substituent attached to the carbon-carbon double bonds. So for examples are dehydration of alcohol. Alcohol are dehydration and convert to the two product. One product are 1 butene and its second product are 2 butene is a major product are known as a according to Shatjev rule. So CH2, CH2, CHOH, CH3, 2-butanol in hydrolysis and convert to CH3, CH2, CH double bond CH2, 1 butene plus water and second product are 2 butene, major product plus water. Okay students, so the greatest number of substituent attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. Students यदि greatest substituent attach है कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड पर तो उसको अपन मेजर प्रोडक्ट बोलेंगे. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल सर एंड सेकंड एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन बिलो इन स्लाइड. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल आर वन सब्स्टिट्यूएंट कार्बन अटैच्ड इन कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड बट सेकंड एग्जांपल्स आर टू सब्स्टिट्यूएंट अटैच्ड इन कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड. सो सेकंड एग्जांपल्स आर मोर प्रोडक्ट एंड मेजर प्रोडक्ट्स. स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल आर dehydrohalogenation of haloalkanes. 2 bromobutanes CH3CH CH2, CHBr, CH2, 2 bromobutane react with KOH in the presence of alcohol, convert to two products, one product are major and second product are minor. Major product are 2 butene are major product and 1 butene are minor product. Because 2 butene major product is the carbon-carbon double bond, 2 substituent group are attached and minor product are 1 substituent group are attached. According to Shatjev rule, greatest number of substituent group attached to the carbon-carbon double bond is a major product. Okay students. So students, the major product of a dehalogenation is the most stable alkanes. The most stable alkenes is the most substituted carbon-carbon due to the electron donating properties of the alkyl halides. So the note this is the convert to the products and this one is the rule of the EZ या E2Z nomenclatures. Okay students. So next reactions are Hofmann reactions. Students, Hofmann degradations या Hofmann eliminations. Hofmann degradations, the Hofmann degradation is the organic reactions of a primary amide to the primary amines with one favored carbon atoms. So this reaction is also sometimes called to Hofmann rearrangement reactions. Students, Hofmann degradation या Hofmann reactions में अपन Hofmann eliminations, Hofmann degradations and Hofmann degradation में अपन स्टार्ट किया. RCONH2 react with Br2 and convert to the product is RNH2. So Hofmann degradation reactions are primary amide convert to primary amines. And next Hofmann eliminations. Hofmann eliminations also known as the methylations. In this process where the amine is react with created by tertiary amines and alkenes to the treatment with excess amount methyl iodide forward the treatment with silver oxide water and heats is known as a Hofmann elimination reaction. Students, so Hofmann eliminations are tetraalkyl ammonium iodide react with aqueous Ag2O and form tetraalkyl ammonium hydroxide and silver iodide presents in these reactions. So these reactions can be given below. So tetraalkyl ammonium hydroxides on heating form alkenes and amines via beta elimination. This reaction is known as Hofmann elimination reactions. Student, Hofmann elimination reaction is a regioselective reactions in alkyl trimethyl ammonium hydroxide eliminate occur in the direction with from less substituted alkenes. Okay students, so examples are given below. Okay students, thank you.